Take this crazy test to see how fast your brain is. Let's go. Look at this image carefully. There is a hidden tiger on it. And you have 15 seconds to find the hidden tiger. This game is good for you to develop your eyes and brain's ability to focus and identify things faster. Not everybody can do this, but let me know in the comment below how you do it. Time has almost been done. Here is what you're looking for. Do you want to see more? In this game there are 15 rounds, and you'll get 1 point for each correct answer. Your result will be counted at the end of this video. Are you ready? Stay tuned. Round 1. You have 20 seconds to find the hidden penguin in this image. This is the easiest round, so I think you already got the answer. Time has almost been done. And here is the hidden penguin. Round 2. There is a hidden kitty cat in this image. In the same period as the previous round, you have 20 seconds to find the hidden cat. I think you already found it, but stay tuned and wait for the next round. It will be harder. Here is the hidden cat. Round 3. Look at this image carefully and try to find the difference in 20 seconds. It is really easy, right? But wait, this isn't the easy round, so you might find the correct answer in just a few seconds. Time has almost been done. Here is the difference. Round 4. This is just the inform round for the find the difference game, so it will be very easy in this round. But wait, after this round it will be much harder, so stay tuned for the next round. Time has almost been done. Here is the difference. Round 5. Now, look carefully at this image. There is a hidden monkey on it. Not everybody can't find the hidden monkey in this image, but let me know in the comment below how you do it. 3 seconds left. Here is the hidden monkey. Round 6. There is a hidden tiger in this image, and you have 20 seconds to find where is it hiding. It could be a little bit tricky and hard to find the hidden in this image. Did you find it yet? And here is the hidden tiger. Round 7. Look carefully at this image and try to find the difference. If you have eagle eyes, you might see it in just a few seconds, but not everybody can do this. Three seconds left. Here is the difference. Round 8. Round 9. There is a little elephant is hiding in this image, and you have 20 seconds to find it. Did you find it yet? Time has almost been done. Here is the hidden elephant. Round 10. There is a little puppy is hiding in this image, and you have 20 seconds to find it. It is pretty hard to see, right? This is the hard round, so just about 30% of people can find the hidden. Did you find it yet? Here is the hidden puppy. Round 11. Look carefully at this image and try to find the difference. If you have eagle eyes, you might see it in just a few seconds, but not everybody can do this. Three seconds left. Here is the difference. Round 12. Round 13. There is a tiger hiding in this image, and you have 20 seconds to find it. It is pretty hard to see, and not everybody can find the hidden in this image, but let me know in the comment below how you do it. Here is the hidden tiger. Round 14. Round 15. Well done, you have come to the end of the game. So now, it's time for you to tell me in the comment below how many points you got. For more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe, so you will not miss my next release video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.